Hey guys! Have you ever wondered when the best time is to enjoy some fresh air without triggering a sneezing explosion? Well, allergist Stanley Feynman did just that. Picture Atlanta, USA, where he spent a week measuring pollen levels in the air. Here's what he found out. From 4 in the morning until noon, pollen levels are at their lowest. Seems unbelievable, right? But there's more. From after 2 in the afternoon until 9 in the evening, pollen reaches its peak. So if you suffer from pollen allergies, the best time for an outdoor excursion is in the morning. But what should you do when you get back home? Here are some tips. Close the windows, take off your shoes, and immediately put your clothes in the washing machine. This way you can limit the spread of pollen in your cozy home. Stanley Feynman's study was presented at the annual scientific meeting of the American College of Allergy, Asthma, and Immunology in Louisville. So guys, remember to enjoy nature at the right time and take your precautions to avoid sneezing.